So sir, kung if part na kayo talaga officially ng defense, you will be able to get to see the former president.
Well, hopefully, kasi if you're a member of the defense team, pwede ka nang makapasok.
Sir, do you have any comment doon sa issue ng 18 Marines?
I read their affidavit, joint affidavit. Mabigat yun, ha? It says a lot of things about the governments as well as those in cahoots with them.
Do you think they're delegates?
Masyadong detalyado para sabihin mo,
Attorney, you want me to
they have the pictures, they have the names, they have the plate numbers, kumpleto Pati yung mga picture ng mga ICC investigator, kuha lahat Kaya, sabi ko nga kagabi sa programa ko this administration's number are numbered, the days are numbered. Delikado yun. Masyadong mabigat yung affidavit ng mga marino. Mahirap pa sinungalingan yun. Masyadong detalyado. To be tainted with lies. Kumpletong plate numbers, kumpleto, pati aeroplano nandun, pati mga mukha ng mga ICC investigator, kumpleto yung mga addresses. Tsaka, I don't think masasabi nila yun kung wala sila doon. Mga ano sila security and assistant ni Saldico. Pati yung mga affidavit na pinagawa sa kanila para pirmahan, nandun din. Has Malacanang responded to that? Wala pa. Thinking? Meron ba?
Wala pa. Wala pa.
Wala.
But most of those who are already listed doon sa affidavit, sir, mostly mga congressman, nagsabi sila na
Saka they delivered money from a list of ang dami. Pati si De Lima nandun, si Kimbo. Daming nakalagay doon.
There was something I saw though, for transparency. I haven't read the whole affidavit, but they were saying that they delivered to Congresswoman Laila De Lima, hindi ba? But the date seemed to be the period wherein she was being detained.
Hindi ko napansin niya kung